Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comment on your TikTok videos. Okay, first you can open your TikTok apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And then in here you just click on the three lines icon at the top. And then in here you just click on the setting and privacy. And now in here you just click on the privacy. And after this, in here you can click on the comment. And then in here you can change the everyone to no one. So you just click on it. Sorry. Okay, and finish. So that's how to turn off a comment on your TikTok videos. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.